Welcome back everyone. I hope you are doing well. I'm going to show you how I make my super moisturizing lip balm. This is so amazing for your lips. It's going to leave your lips soft, well moisturized, no dry, flaky, cracked lips. I'm going to show you step by step how I do this, so let's jump right in. And if this is your first time stopping by, my name is Esther and I make DIY natural hair and skincare videos, and I also sell my skincare products on my website, and I'll have the link in the description box if you are interested. So let's jump right in. My first ingredient is mango butter. With a lip balm, it's a combination of different plant butters, oils, so you're able to customize this and use ingredients that work better for you. I'm using mango butter for this because it has so many amazing nutrients. It's rich in different vitamins like vitamin C, E, A, B6, and also rich in fatty acids. And to this, I'm going to add my candelilla wax. Candelilla wax is going to be the thickener, and it's going to help harden up the lip balm. You can also use something like beeswax. That's what's most commonly used. I'm going to start adding in my plant oils, starting with sunflower oil. This absorbs fast and it's also rich in vitamin E, omega-6 and omega-9. And to this, I'm going to add in my castor oil. This is very moisturizing and is perfect for dry lips. Next, I'm going to melt down everything until the wax, the butter are completely melted. You want to take your time to do this. Heat up everything on low to medium heat. Maintain that heat for about 10 minutes or so. You want to make sure everything is completely melted, and that way you don't end up with any graininess in your lip balm. Now that everything has melted down, I'm going to add in the rest of my ingredients. I'm going to add in my cool down ingredients, starting off with vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil is also an antioxidant. It's good for nourishing your skin, and it's also going to reduce the chances of your oils becoming rancid. And to this, I'm adding in some flavor oil, vanilla flavor oil, which is completely optional. I'm just going to pour into my tubes. I got these tubes from Wholesale Supplies Plus. And once you pour, you're just going to leave this alone to set for a few hours. I left mine alone for about 3 hours. But you really want to leave it longer just to make sure it sets up okay and that it's firm and solid, so that way it doesn't fall apart. But so far, this is what it's looking like. This was a really nice moisturizing lip balm to use. It felt really nice on my lips, very moisturizing. Of course, you can always customize the ingredients, make it your own, change it up, use what works best for you. But this is a really nice lip balm, and the vanilla flavor felt so good. The taste of it was nice. Of course, that is an optional ingredient, but I hope you found this recipe helpful. Of course, reach out to me in the comments if you have any questions at all, and I'll do my best to answer them. Please don't forget to subscribe if you've not, and also turn on your notifications so you don't miss any new videos I upload. And of course, Please like this video because that really helps me out, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.